This one ingredient can clear your acne, fade dark spots, and fight wrinkles. And you've probably never used it the right way. Stick around to learn which ingredient we're talking about. I'm Samantha Dench, a licensed esthetician of 22 years, owner of Skin Deep Aesthetics, author, and founder of Zozo Skincare. Niacinamide is making waves in the skincare world. One small vitamin-derived ingredient could hydrate, soothe, brighten, and slow down aging. It's a go-to for most skin types. Today, we're unpacking everything you need to know: how it works, who should use it, what ingredients to pair with, and how to make it part of your skincare routine. Let's dig in. Fun fact: niacinamide is essential for your body too. It supports cell metabolism and energy. As far as skin health goes, check out these incredible benefits. Balances oil production, reduces inflammation, think fewer breakouts, minimizes pores, hydrates, brightens dark spots and melasma, strengthens the skin barrier, and slows down aging. Who shouldn't use niacinamide? Someone with sensitive skin should introduce it slowly. Start using 2 to 3 times a week and slowly increase until you get to daily use. This gives your skin time to adjust and minimizes any irritation from the increased circulation. Can you react to niacinamide? Niacinamide is generally well tolerated. However, it increases circulation. This may cause a warm, flushing sensation. Many think it's a reaction, but it's your blood flow increasing. This sensation only lasts a few minutes. Will niacinamide cause acne? If you start to notice a breakout when introducing niacinamide, don't panic. Your skin has to adjust, which means it can purge. Here's what's happening. Your cell turnover increases and pushes out the buildup to make way for the new actives. You need to give your skin 4 to 6 weeks. Is niacinamide safe during pregnancy? Yes, topical niacinamide is safe during pregnancy. What cancels out niacinamide? A common skincare mistake is layering acids with niacinamide. Niacinamide works best when the skin is at a neutral pH. This helps maintain a healthy skin barrier. Acids like glycolic, salicylic, lactic, mandelic, and even vitamin C lower the skin's pH. Pairing these may cancel out niacinamide's benefits or cause a skin reaction. Pairing niacinamide with certain active ingredients can amplify your skincare routine. Here's a list of our favorites. Hyaluronic acid. Both are water-based, hydrating, and help your skin barrier repair. Retinol. Niacinamide soothes and hydrates, making retinol less irritating and more effective. Peptides. Boosts skin firmness, elasticity, and overall skin health when paired together. Tranexamic acid targets dark spots and redness, made even more powerful alongside niacinamide. When to use in your skincare routine. Niacinamide is most effective in a serum form. We recommend using it after cleansing and before moisturizing. Niacinamide can be used both day and night. Ready to try niacinamide for yourself? Whether you're dealing with breakouts, dullness, or just want a brighter, more even complexion, niacinamide deserves a spot in your skincare routine. We are here to help you look your absolute best. Please visit our website to shop our favorite niacinamide products or book a personalized appointment today.